Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. This lecture is for class 5th, subject reasoning, chapter 6, lecture 6. Topic is number series. Today's topic is number series. Number series is a form of series in which particular numbers are present in a particular order and missing numbers are to find out. It is based on either descending or ascending order of numbers, and each successive number is obtained by dividing or multiplying the previous number by a specific number. It is based on the cubes and squares of the number in a particular order. In this topic, this is number series. In this types of question, you have a series in which some numbers are missing. You have to find that number, but there is a sequence or a particular order in between that series that you have to find. Let's take some examples. Complete the series. Question number 1, 512, 729, 1000 and question mark. You have to replace this question mark from your answer. Here's the solution. 512 is the cube of 8, 729 is the cube of 9, 1000 is the cube of 10. So there is a series, cube of 8, cube of 9, cube of 10, and the next is cube of 11. So this question is based on cubes of number, and your answer is cube of 11, 1331. Now go to the next question. Here's the series is 4, 36, 324, 2916, then question mark. In this question we have to multiplying the previous number by a specific number, and the number is 9. It means, let's see, 4 is the previous number multiplied by 9, you get 36, and 36 is the previous number multiplied by 9, you get 324. 324 is the previous number multiplied by 9 is 2916. 2916 multiplied by 9 is 26244. So your answer is 26244. This is your homework on the topic of series. I hope you will do it, and we will discuss in our next lecture. Question number 1 is, look at the series. What should come next? 2, 1, half, 1 by 4. So what's the next number? You have to find. Question number 2, find the next number. The series is 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. Question number 3, what should come in place of question mark in the following series? Series is 16, 22, 28, 34. Here's the question mark, and 46. You have to find the number here. Question number 4, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. Complete this series. Identify the next term in the following series. The series is 2, 3, 5, 9, 17, 33, 65. Find this series, the next number. Now we discuss about your previous homework, that is puzzle. Question 1 to 5 have followed these instructions. Read the following information to answer the question. Number 1, A, B, C, D, E, F and G are sitting in a circle facing at the center and playing cards. According to first, A, B, C, D, E, F, G सेंटर की तरफ फेस करके बेटा बैठे हैं और कार्ड्स खेल रहे हैं. सेकंड पॉइंट क्या है? E is neighbor of A and D. The second one is E is neighbor of A and D. E is neighbor of A, it's true. E is neighbor of D, it's true. So here's the second condition is satisfied. Now go to the third one. G is not between F and C. G is not between F and C. F is to the immediate right of A. F is to the immediate right of A. So here's the diagram. According to the diagram, we go through the questions. Which of the following does not have the pair of persons sitting adjacent to each other? बेटा जो ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं इनमें से कौन सा एक दूसरे के पास साथ में नहीं बैठा है, ये आपको बताना है. ऑप्शन ए इज बी एंड ए. लेट्स चेक बी एंड ए. ऑप्शन बी सी एंड बी. सी एंड बी ये दोनों पास हैं तो ये नहीं होगा. ऑप्शन सी डी एंड ई. डी एंड बी एक साथ बैठे हुए हैं. ऑप्शन डी जी एंड डी. जी एंड डी भी एक साथ बैठे हैं. हमें बताना बेटा कौन एक साथ नहीं बैठा हुआ. सो अवर आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए बी एंड ए. बी एंड ए जो है एक साथ नहीं है. इनके बीच में कौन है? एफ. F is between B and A. So B and A is not sitting adjacent to each other. Our answer is option A. Question number 2. Which of the following pair has the second person sitting immediately to the right of the first? कौन सा वो दूसरा पर्सन है जो पहले के जस्ट राइट में बैठा है? ऑप्शन ए एंड बी. ऑप्शन बी C and B. Option C E and A. Option C E and A. Option D D and G. B is the second to the right of A. B is the देखो A के राइट से देखो B जो है कहाँ पर है? सेकंड पोजीशन पे है. तो हमें यही देखना है बेटा कि जो आपको पेयर दिया हुआ है उसके सेकंड पर्सन सिटिंग हो राइट साइड से. देखो बी जो है ए के सेकंड सिटिंग है. सो आवर आंसर इज सी ई एंड ए. लेट्स गो टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर हैज the second person sitting immediately to the right of the first? Option A AB. Option B CB. Option C EA. Option D DG. Answer is B is second to the right of A and to the immediate left of C, while G is to the immediate left of D, but A sits immediately to the right of E. Sits immediately to the right of E. So our answer is option C E A. In this question number 3, What is the position of F? बेटा F की क्या पोजीशन है ये बतानी है. थर्ड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ C. थर्ड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ C. It's not true. Second to the right of C. Second to the right of C. It's a second to the left of C. Right? Second to the left of C. And C option is to the immediate left of A. No, it's a immediate left of B. So answer is none of these. इनमें से कोई भी स्टेटमेंट ट्रू नहीं है बेटा. सो हमारा आंसर है ऑप्शन डी none of these. Let's go to the question number 4. Who are the neighbors of B? B के नेबर्स कौन है बेटा? F and C. Let's go through the options. Option A and F. No. Option B C and D. No. Option C F and C. Yes. So our answer is option C F and C. Question number 5. which of the following person are sitting adjacent to each other from left to right in the order as shown? BGC option A, option B FBC, option C CDG, option D EDG. Answer: clearly the required group should contain 3 persons who are sitting in 3 consecutive positions in an anti-clockwise order. Beta here gives left to right, so it is anti-clockwise direction. Such the answer is FBC. Option B FBC. It's an anti-clockwise, and these 3 are at the sitting at adjacent to each other, left to right. So our lecture is over. I hope you like the lecture. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.